Welcome to Rockwall, Texas Living, the web's biggest blog on the smallest county in Texas. I'm your host today, Evan Matteson.
And I'm your co-host, Richard Matteson, back from vacation.
There you go.
And I heard that our friend...
We had a good stand-in for you.
Retriever was just doggone good.
He was doggone good. He was a lot quieter than you.
Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, well,
yeah.
Too bad.
So, it's Real Estate Update today, and we're going to look at the numbers for June 13th through the 19th of 2011, let you know what's going on in the marketplace.
Right, and we're not barking up the wrong tree this time. Related to our previous...
Let's look at the numbers, and then at the end I have one thing. I read a pretty interesting blog today, so we'll talk about that.
Great. Well, we have 616 homes actively on the market right now.
Cool.
A lot of pendings beside that, but then 18 homes sold for the week. And you can see the spread. There's a lot going on between 150 and 400 in Rockwall and Heath area. 97%, so we're pushing above the average of 96 that we've maintained for a long time.
Okay.
And that's really good. And then 145 days on the market.
Interesting.
And that's because we had one that was 196, one that was 320, one that was 397, and one that was 418. So those four pushed us up a little bit than we would normally be.
Okay.
All right. And then we've been, in the last weeks, we've been bouncing between 600s and 500s on an every other week basis. So not sure exactly what that means, except maybe vacation.
Vacation, very well could be. It seems a little bit lower than what I would expect in the summer, and the only thing I can put that to is that there's just still some unsurety out there of what's going on over the next couple of years, which brings me back to the point of the blog that I was looking at today. They were basically, they took all these different people's opinions, they did some sort of mathematical adjustment and everything, and basically what they came out with, the middle of the road for what everyone is saying, came out to the fact that over this year of 2011 that home prices will stay pretty much flat, and then starting next year they will start going into 2%, 3%,
Climb?
4%, 5% appreciations. And obviously that could be a little skewed for us because we typically see 1 to 3, so that for us that might mean 2 to 3%, and in other parts of the country that might mean 10%. So it just depends. The reality is really good market in Texas, and I think we're past most of this.
Well, the reality is that if that is all true, you need to buy now.
Well, that's true as well.
That's
purchasing before. I mean, stocks. You want to buy low, sell high, kind of thing.
Right.
Not that we suggest doing real estate from an investment perspective necessarily, because the house is, for most people in America, it's a place that you spend life with your family.
Right.
And so we just want to make sure that it's a good, solid investment. You're not buying too high when you buy around what's going on with the market. So.
Well, and I went out with a buyer today, and we looked at 7 houses, but 4 of them were right at 175. But their square footage was from 2,900 to 2,300.
Oh, wow.
All at the same price.
Interesting.
Individuals owning some, and then some foreclosure. So it was very interesting to see 4 homes right in that same category, 2 being lived in and 2 being foreclosure. And the bigger ones were the foreclosure, so a bigger deal, a great deal.
Yeah, can be.
All right.
Well, we're learning a little bit more about Rockwall, Texas together and keep you informed of what's going on in real estate. We'll see you next time.